What's good, Slim? Hey, I'm about to show y'all in 3 minutes how to fade. Step-by-step guide. If you can't fade after this, I don't know what to tell you. Watch this.
Heem college, yeah, you know they can't stop it. Heem college, yeah, you know we gon' pop it. Heem college, yeah, you know they can't stop us. Heem college, yeah, you know we ain't pop it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Heem college, yeah, you know they can't stop it. Heem college, yeah, you know we gon' pop it. Heem college, yeah, you know they can't stop it. Heem college, yeah, you know we gon' pop it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Welcome to Heem College, class in session. Alright, so boom. This is low fade. This not a ball fade. This is my first time showing y'all how to do the low fade on this channel, I believe. The only difference is instead of using our trimmers or creating a ball section, we're going to just use the lever open, no guard. We're going to make sure that's as even as possible, but that's going to be our first guideline. Really our only guideline, because we're going to fade down. So after you make sure that's nice, clean, even, and neat, we're going to go on to our 2 guard. Alright, so boom. Now we got the 2 guard on. We're going to start with that 2 guard lever open. And we're going to just clean up that section there and try to just create a nice little transition. You don't need a lot. Trust me, the fades that you see on a day-to-day basis, they not as super detailed. You need to learn how to just do a basic fade. And as you go and as you grow, you'll learn how to add more details and make it a super blurry fade. But this is just how to do a basic fade. You're gonna take that 2 guard with that lever open. You're gonna create a section there, and then you're gonna close it, and then we're gonna go into the 1 guard. So now we have that 1 guard lever open, and we're gonna go into that section. It's that simple. You don't have to create a million sections and do all these different tricks. No, you just count down 2, 1. Then after this 1 guard, after we close it and we clean up that section there, we're gonna go on to our 0.5 guard. Alright, so now we got the 0.5 guard on. We're gonna start with that guard, lever open, same thing. We're gonna go from open to close. And after we finish with that guard, you should have pretty much the fade intact right there. It's that simple. You can go from open, and now you see we got that guard closed. It's gonna kind of erase that line out just a little more. It's that simple, guys. And if you see it creating a line, just work the guard from open to close. But that's how you do a simple fade, guys. It's not hard. If you can't fade after this, I don't know what to tell you. But this is one of the simplest ways to do a fade, and I promise you the client's gonna be happy. You already know. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.